Hi, in the last video we discussed about plotting of vectors and functions in Matlab. We write the required code in command window. In this video we are going to write the required code in edit and saving the code in a separate file and then accessing it. And also in this video we will know about subplot and its benefits. Okay, let's open edit. Just type edit and the edit window will open, and then this is untitled. Okay, let's write the code. Let's create a vector x equal to 0 to 10, enter. Y equal to let's give 20, 30, enter, and then plot x comma y, just close it. Let's put semicolon. Now save the file. Save. I'm going to save this on the desktop and videos. Just see this. It is with the .m extension. The Matlab files have .m extension. Let's give the name plot mat. Save and then click on run. See, figure window is open. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Just check the limits. Now close this window. And now just create another two vectors. Let's create to plot another graph. A equal to 0 to 5, enter. B equal to 30 to 35. And if we want to plot these graphs x versus y and a versus b in a same figure, then we can use the function subplot. Let's use the function subplot. Subplot of, here we have to write the matrix dimension. Okay, let's create a matrix of containing the all. We have two figures, right? Let's create a 2 by 1 matrix of containing our figures. And the first element, actually we have elements in a matrix. We know the numbers are the elements of the matrix, but when we use this subplot, it means the figure window is a matrix and The vectors we want to plot are the elements, and I'm giving the first element. Let's give plot. Yeah, we already have that. Just back. Okay, the other one, just close this. Let's see the same subplot of 2 comma 1 in the second element in the 2 by 1 matrix. That is plot A comma B. Close, and then save the file and execute. See, we got a figure of containing our 2 graphs, and this is the first element. You can see the limits 0 to 10 and 20 to 30, x vector and y vector, and this is the figure 2, graph 2 or graph 2, and it contains the elements 0 to 5 and 30 to 30. And this is about subplot. Create whatever matrix we can want, and we can plot a numerous graphs in a single figure. We can also create a 2 by 2 dimension matrix, and then giving the required number of elements, it means the graphs. You can plot all those graphs in a single figure. Okay, in the graph we didn't have any titles or labels here. You can write labels and titles for the graphs by using the title and x label keywords. Okay, let's write for the first graph. It will be under the plot. Okay, here is the first one. Okay, let's write the title T8. Let's give the title first graph. This highlighting of this sentence represents this is characters, and then X label, what we have in X label. Let's give X axis. And then Y label. Now execute it. Just leave there. See, X axis and Y axis, and the title, it is first graph. Like this we can use these keywords and functions. Thank you.